Pulling up to the job site number 1. I have a pretty long day set up for me and my cuz. So we're just going to get through this wash. So I pretty much came here to help him with a wash. You see we got 2 cars lined up right here. I'm gonna help him with this wash in the shade, and I'm gonna run off to another job site, get a couple done, and then from there we are going to meet up at a 3rd job site and get a couple cars done. So I'm just gonna take you through the day. Got a lot of work to do, and just show you a few clips. Let's get it. Guys, I'm at the 2nd job site here. I helped my cousin wash a couple cars. Now I'm here at the 2nd job site. We're working on this M850, and I'm just gonna wash and seal it really quickly, and I'm really pressed on time, so I gotta get to work. Let's go. All right, guys, this wraps up the detail for this beautiful BMW here, and I did a wash and seal, vacuum and wipe down on the interior. It's time to run to the next appointment in Potomac, Maryland, but just want to show you how it looks. Awesome. See you guys in a bit.
That's running that club, right? They got to make a decision.
Espresso.
Do they want to, if they want to be, make money, if they want to be a bank, go buy.
We are at job site number 3 today. I'm here working on the X7. My cousin was about to pull up and work on the Maybach, and both are super nice cars. We're gonna get these done. We're doing kind of like an express clean. Those wheels are really jacked up, I could tell, but it's the budget was around $275, $300 each. So what we'll do is vacuum and wipe everything down, maybe clean the leather as well, and do the same thing on this beautiful Maybach here. This one doesn't look too bad. Yeah, this one's not too bad. The X7's a lot worse, but this one mainly needs a thorough. Oh, this thing's nice. This is gonna actually. Whoa, this is my first Maybach. Nice. Okay, so this will be my first time working on a car like this one. Okay, but let me get started. I'm gonna work on the X7 because I was gonna work on the Maybach. We'll probably help each other with the wash. Yes.
Shit's not open in the back.
Just keep it safe, all right? And set up to oh my god, that smells so good. If we're in direct sunlight, we'll only work on one side at a time. So right now, I'm working on this side here. He's working on the front and the hood. He already did the rest of the side. He'll wash it and then he'll rinse it off really quickly before putting on a touchless sealant. So right now I'm just doing the back. I'm gonna rinse it off, then I'll come over to this side. I'll rinse it off. That way soap isn't just drying up in the sun completely, which will just lightly stain the paint a little bit, and we don't want to get caught up into that situation. So that's something we'll do when we're working in direct sunlight.
100%.
Guys, here's the job. We are all wrapped up, I'm getting ready to head off to one more job. Here's how they both look, glossy and down to a T. I got 37 minutes to get to the next spot, but see you guys later. I'm pulling a rack of shit out of here. A bunch of look at this nasty shit right here. I'm gonna have to steam that. This is a spot that never gets cleaned right here, guys. Gotta make sure that gets clean. Then you just blow it. Ah, that was loud. Oh shit. All right, it's 8 p.m. I did what I could with this. There's a lot of stains on the seats. Smells heavy like some weed. It wasn't the best cleaning, but I'm gonna charge for what I can just because I gotta go. This is like an emergency, so I did what I could. Damn, still smells horrible. Anyways, it's time to wrap this shit up, guys.